Hello everybody, what's up? I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my pamper routine. So basically what are the things I do when I'm in the mood to pamper myself, and I'll be sharing my shower routine, my skincare routine, pedicure. So basically everything. So थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के if we pamper ourselves, that would be great for us, right? Because we all deserve it. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I'm going to clip my hair first. So now I'm going to cleanse my face first using this clean and clear foaming face wash. And you guys, this one is the best face wash for this range of price. It's good for every skin type people. I mean, me and my sister both use this face wash, and I have dry skin and she has literally oily and sensitive skin. So this cleanser works well for all skin types. Next, I'll take a cotton handkerchief and I'm going to damp this under warm water. And I'll use this to sting my face, which will help to open my pores. After that, today I'll be exfoliate my face. This is not something I regularly do, but once in a week, because I have a very dry skin and regular exfoliation is not good for dry skin. So now I'm going to make a DIY face scrub with this rice flour and a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of orange peel powder. Now these all products are natural and homemade. Now I am adding a little bit of rose water in it, and yeah, scrub is ready to use. While scrubbing, make sure you are very gentle on your skin. So I am concentrating on my T-zone areas where I have some whiteheads. Next, I'll be using a face mask. This is M Caffeine Choco Face Mask for dry skin. You can use any face mask which is good for your skin. I really enjoy using this face mask because it doesn't make my skin too dry and it smells like real chocolate. So now for pedicure, I'm going to dip my legs in warm water and add some salt and lemon to it. I usually dip my legs in warm water after wearing heels, and it is really relaxing. Just try it out once and you will love it. It will take some time, so I'll remove my nail paint right now. So I am using this stone to exfoliate my legs. I like this type of natural stone and loofahs for body and legs exfoliation. Now time for my shower routine. So today I am not going to wash my hair because I already washed yesterday. But if you guys want to make a hair care routine, comment down below. I will definitely make a video on that, on proper hair care. Now I am using this Pierce body soap. I like using Pierce body soap or body wash during winter, and I usually prefer shaving my body often with this Venus razor. I'm not using any shaving cream here. I'm just using this regular body soap. I mean, it works great for me. I just like to lather it a lot so the razor glides very smoothly. Now I am going to exfoliate my body with this M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub. I think you guys maybe know about this product already. I love it so much, and it makes my skin so smooth after shaving. So now I'm going to use this M Caffeine body butter to moisturize my skin. I love to apply it all over my body and I love the smell. I'm done with my shower routine. Now some skincare time, and I am using this Biotech Cucumber Toner. It is good for all skin type and so affordable. After that, I am using this Cetaphil moisturizer. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, then you guys must know I love this moisturizer so much. It's the best moisturizer for dry skin ever. Now I'll be using this baby lips to moisturize my lips. After that, I'm using some coconut oil for my under eyes. Go slightly massage it over my under eyes. So yeah, that's it for the skincare. Now I'm applying some nail paint on my nails. And here I am making a cup of black coffee for me. I love black coffee. It refresh and activate my mood to do some work. So yeah, this was it for my pamper routine. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and let me know in comments down below that what you guys do for your pamper routine. I would love to know that. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and follow me on my Instagram. Link is in my description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.